All right, you got the Wisekoti electric sprayer for your plants. My mom's gonna love this. She's got all kinds of indoor plants. And I'm gonna demo this for you in a minute. So let's open this up and see what we got in here. So I have a set of instructions for you, which you're probably gonna need. We have a 1.5 liter bottle, pretty good size. That's a good size basin, and it's not too heavy at all. Nice light plastic on there. We have the actual sprayer itself, the electric sprayer. If you open up this thing on the back right here, you can see you have a USB charging port right there to recharge this thing. You should probably charge it every couple months to make sure it's staying up and good. We have the actual tube that goes inside the bottle here that's going to pull the water out, and this thing just screws on right here. Oh yeah, I'm looking forward to checking this out. This is fun. And let's see what else we got. We have a couple of extra nozzles on here. This nozzle, you can remove it. You just unscrew it right here. It just screws lefty-loosey, righty-tighty. Take it off, and yep, we have an actual extension nozzle that could be put on here too. With here, we have a couple extra spray nozzles that comes with you with 3 O-rings on there. Obviously, after extended use, O-rings and things like that will wear out, but they're pretty easy to replace. If you pull this cap off, you can see the O-rings right there. You just pull that off, slide the new one on there, put your cap back on, and you're good to go. And it comes with its own USB charging cable. All right, so now I've got this thing filled up with water. It's easy enough to do. You just unscrew the lid, fill it up with water, screw the lid back on, you're good to go. I brought the other nozzle with me so we can test it out and see how this thing works. My Olympia Fig. Basically, just hold this thing out, hold the trigger in for a second, and it'll start working. Automatically turns on. Look at that. That is pretty cool. So if you loosen up the nozzle a little on there, you get a nice stream coming out of there. Let's see what happens when we tighten the nozzle down. Oh yeah, you get a nice mist going out of there. Look at that. Nice mister. Here, let's check it out on these guys. I got the bigger nozzle one. Look at that. Oh, this works perfect for these guys. If I wanted to wipe these big leaves off right here, this mister is absolutely perfect for that. Then we just loosen this nozzle up just a little bit, and we can water this guy. There we go. I love this. This thing is awesome. So we can get these little guys right here. Stick the nozzle in there. Perfect. Just a little bit of water. It's perfect.